Just saying, y'all. These drink coasters could be yours. They selling quick. Y'all better go get them. What's up, everybody? We alive. Another day above soil. Y'all better come get these. These coasters are a hot commodity. I've got plenty in my inventory. All you gotta do is go on my Etsy page and go get them. It's all you. Here you go. I had a surplus of Ommegang Nirvana beer boxes. They came out with this. Shout out to Ommegang Brewery Company. Y'all are making some good beer, and y'all make some good boxes. And it made this product. I made another one too. It looks like a bright ray of sunshine. Just look at this. This one's at least 30 inches in diameter. It doesn't weigh that much. You can put it in front of your door. You could put it on your balcony. You could put it on a wall, on a window when it's really nice out. Yeah, look at this. And then I put this wreath on different social media pages. And I got many people saying, ooh, this looks pretty. This looks so good. Some people told me, hey, you could make mirrors out of it. You could make another clock with it. So the gears are turning, y'all. I got another idea of what we could do. And we're actually going to do this today. So we got this wreath right here. And a clock needs to go right here where my face is. Right here. So I hope y'all are ready. We about to do it again. Get ready for another time lapse. Before we part ways and leave, I have a relatively important question to ask of you. If you went to sleep tonight and you didn't wake up the next day, would you truly be satisfied with the life that you've lived? If your answer is no, then it's most definitely time to do some soul searching and think about some of the changes that you need to make within your life. I say this because there's a lot of things within our society that discriminate. Death, however, does not discriminate. I want to thank y'all for watching this content. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button down below. I'm also going to include the links to my Etsy and Instagram pages within the description. I leave you all with much love, good spirits, and vibes. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. I'm out.